MAP and BYCOL bring functional programming to Excel. Apply any transformation to every element or column of an array without writing loops or helper columns. MAP takes one or more arrays and a lambda function, applying the lambda to each element. Clean prices, convert units, or apply conditional logic across entire ranges with one formula. BYCOL applies a lambda to each column of a range, returning one result per column. BYRO does the same for rows. Use them for column-wise statistics, row-level validation, or custom aggregations. Nest map inside reduce for rolling calculations across arrays. Chain map with filter to transform and filter in one formula. These combinations create powerful data pipelines entirely in formulas. For practical examples, map to clean and standardize a name column, BYCOL to calculate statistics for each metric, BYRO to validate data entry rows, and a nested combination that replaces a 10-step process. MAP and BYCOL complete Excel's transformation toolkit. Subscribe for more videos on modern Excel functions that replace VBA.